Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the CDK dealership software. So here, in order for us to sign up for an account, is we have to contact them first. All right. So we have to request for a demo so that we'd be able to sign up for an account. But since we don't really have a company and a business email. So, what we're going to do is to discuss here the important details that you need to know if you're planning to use this tool. Okay, so right here, the CDK, they have a front office, they have a fixed operations, they have the back office, and the infrastructure. Okay, so let's start with the front office. So here, dealers used to be able to sell the slow, traditional way and expect consumers to accept it. So, not anymore. So, how can you change to meet their expectations? All right, so let us explore the details. Okay, so here you can simplify the car buying experience. So, you can let the customer lead and reduce their wait. So here, you can bring your customers modern retailing. So you can update your buying and selling process and start elevating your customer satisfaction. So we have the digital retail. So you can discover the industry's only complete digital retailing platform that makes car buying a seamless experience for customers from online to showroom. Then we have the customer relationship management. So increase your ability to connect with new leads and deepen existing relationships. Put your customers at the heart of your business and drive real growth. And we also have the finance and insurance, voice collaboration, and text collaboration. Okay, so let's go back right here. All right. So here, CDK, they're offering dealership experience platform, digital retail, customer relationship management, finance and insurance, dealer management system, fixed operations, and network and communication services, and intelligence. So let's start with the dealership experience platform. Okay, so here to improve operations and exceed the customer demands, dealers need the CDK dealership experience platform because bolt-on point solutions have done more harm than good. Okay, so here rising costs, broken workflows, and dealership turnover. Okay, so basically, the dealership experience helps car pros excel. So, the versatile platform makes every department stronger. Hear what they're doing for Car Pros Automotive Group, then see how they can help you create your own success story. So, here you can request for a demo. All right. And then here for the integrated suites cover every workflow, we have the foundation suite, fundamental suite, the modern retail suite, the vehicle inventory suite, fixed operations, and intelligence suite. Right now, let's go back. Okay, and we are going to proceed with the digital retail. Okay, so here, modernized car buying and selling. So the CDK offers digital retailing solutions and so much more. It's everything you need to transact online and in the showroom, creating one seamless omni-channel experience for all. Okay, so you can measure the digital retailing ROI to grow your business. So digital retailing success is measured across three KPIs that ultimately add to your bottom line. So we have online engagement, customer satisfaction, and more deal efficiency. Okay, so here, as you can see for the digital retailing, we have the omni-channel storefront, internal lead response, automated lead response for trade and appraisal, trade evaluation, and dealer group solution, multi-brand marketplace. Okay, so let's go back here and proceed to we have the customer relationship management. So we have the CRM. So build stronger relationships and drive growth with an AI powered automotive dealership CRM. Okay, so here drive your customer engagement and profitability. So optimize the operations, data driven decision making, drive profitability, better customer service, hybrid intelligence, and maximize revenue opportunities. Okay, so you can connect with your dealership to seamlessly unify every customer interactions with an automotive CRM platform built to integrate across sales, service, and marketing. So CDK CRM connects your teams, tools, and data for a more efficient, personalized customer experience every step of the way. So we have AI, marketing, and desking. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so here I'm going to discuss the dealer management system. Okay, so the DMS is the engine that drive your operations. So a dealer management system is a suite of powerful software tools that equips auto dealers with the solutions they need to be profitable on one fully integrated platform. So the power of a best-in-class DMs to drive profitable growth, streamline your business, and then deliver a superior experience. Okay, so the dealer management system, CDK Drive. So CDK Drive is the flagship DMS, equips your dealership with a powerful suite of tools using a slick, state of the art, user friendly interface, boost the profits, minimize the cost, and supercharge your business all in one place. Okay, and then lastly, I am also going to discuss the we have the network and communication services. So here, guard against connection and security failure. So what happens when your system is hacked or your cell phone, Wi-Fi, or internet connection stop working completely? Without preparation, it could be devastating, right? So here, you can keep your customers safe, avoid outages and downtime, and then, of course, increase accessibility. So, yeah, if you want more information about this tool, so you just have to visit their website to search for the cdkglobal.com. So, that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.